Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we have another unboxing from that lovely company called Art Studio, brought to you by The Range. This is the Crystal Canvas Husky. Yes, it reminds me of the word when they go a big hunk. And then we've got £4. You know Elvis Presley when that song that's sung like a big hunk of love or something that he sings. £4.99 here on the canvas. Now, this is the painting. Remember a couple of weeks ago or a couple of months, whenever it was, I was saying that my brother bought me a painting. This was shortly before Christmas 2024, and this was the one I chose. And he said, "Oh, you know, pick any one you want. I want to buy you a painting." And I thought, well, you know, seeing as that someone else is paying, I'll go for as big as I can. And I almost got that, you know, the big, it's like a bridge thing, but I don't like the purple in the sky, so I went for this, which is absolutely gorgeous. Quite like huskies, and yeah, I've already seen what it looks like, but I've only had chance to bring it over weekend just gone. So yeah, this is the Art Studio crystal canvas. Again, from Art Studio, you do get yourself the bracket, all the usual stuff in here. So I already know what it looks like because, as I say, he was helping me to, he was helping me to put on the brackets. Now, it was one that I really just wanted to dive into. As you can see, the cellophane is on because he was putting the brackets on, and then I was like, oh shit, I've got to film it, you know. I've just noticed he screwed it through the plastic because this is all still on, but that's not a problem, I can get around that. So yeah, I was like, oh no, I've got to film it, and that's why it's still in the cellophane. So yeah, we'll get all this off. And just to let you know, guys, I have now received that rotary tool thing. You know that cutting craft knife thing that I was telling you about? I have tried it, and to be fair with you, it's pretty crap. Age restriction as well, so I had to show me ID to the postman, which is never had to do before, but yeah, this is the standard bag, and lots and lots of the bags. I thought my brackets were missing them, but I keep forgetting that he put them on for me. So inside here we have, oh dear, yeah, see he's put it around that, but as you can see I can tear that off quite easy. So let's pop that around there, and yeah, so that's that. And this is the bag of drills. We've got a random bag, look. And the Schmetic down the side, but as you can see, look at this beautiful, this is just stunning, isn't it? What's lovely about this is I get the impression it's just been a really sort of cold night. It's had a lot of snow, and in here we've got this lovely ray of the sun just seeping through the little trees here, and he's just sitting down. I mean, he'd probably have a cold ass sitting on snow, but obviously huskies are made for that sort of environment. They're used to cold weather, very similar like polar bears and seals. They all sort of adapt to cold weather, so they're used to it. Loving his blue eyes, and what's nice is I think they're drilled as well, so that's going to be interesting because you've got one blue, grey, and then a black pupil, so that's going to be interesting. Then we've also got obviously him sitting down with the snow, as I said, probably like really cold paws and that, and yeah, but I absolutely love it. I think it's a stunning painting. And on here we have the stick, so the stick is perfect. As you can see, it's an absolute beautiful kit. And what I will do is, I haven't got a marker pen available, but what I'm going to do is on the back I'm going to put I was thinking my sister's TikTok pens she got me, but they're probably a little bit too big. But what I'm going to do is get like a fine tip Sharpie pen and just put present from George 2024. And then I know it's like a gift one, because the majority of these I do buy myself. So it just means so much to me to have like a gift from a family member. My mum refuses to buy she refuses to buy me paintings because she's like, well, where are you going to put them all? You need to stop buying. So she has a different perspective to diamond painting, but unless you're a diamond painter, you don't know how addictive it is. But yeah, this is just beautiful. Again, Dawn Dell, if you could give me a name for this beautiful husky, that would be great. Quite like the name Bob, but I'm not sure. It is just so lovely. I've got to put it aside, otherwise I'll be staring at it all night. It's so nice. So we'll put that to there. That'll be part of my winter theme, whenever that may be. I mean, I was supposed to be doing Frozen for the last 2 years and still ain't got round to it. So, yeah. Trouble is with winter themes is it clashes with Christmas, so it's hard to do Christmas and winter all in one. But in here we have, let's put that there. We have beautiful, what Linda over at Lazy Retired Granny calls the train. Yes, this is the train. So we've got pastel pink, we've got a purple, we've got a couple of that beautiful grey blue. I absolutely keep on saying this, but I want to decorate my bedroom in that colour. It's just so nice. And then we've got the brown, a couple of greys, sort of chocolatey colour, very sort of dark looking grey, white there, blue, dark blue, sort of peachy colour, lots of purple in it, like this purpley sort of, I don't know what you would call that, because it's such a strange looking colour, isn't it? And then we got an orange and a sort of like a purpley lilac-y mauve maybe, and a orangey brown. So yeah, once again, from the range, this is no longer there. It's been that long because, as I say, we got this shortly before Christmas and it's no longer there. So yeah, I am in love with it. I absolutely love it to bits, but I'm sure I can try and find the link for this on the range's website. I'm actually thinking of doing a few more orders with the range because they've got so much stuff on there. So yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, cannot wait to do this from my brother. Like, what a lovely gift. And I think I've picked quite a good one, to be fair. Sort of reminds me of Narnia, you know, the Chronicles of Narnia, that sort of environment where Lucy goes out the back of the wardrobe and she meets Mr. Tumnus in that sort of snowy array of all the snow, and oh yeah, I love it. Anyway, we must wrap that video up. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Always tap that notification bell to be notified of all the videos I do, and do remember to tap it to all, because a couple of you have said that you're not getting videos, and that is because you are not tapping the notification bell to all. If you click personalized, they'll only send you some, so that's the reason why. And also subscribe. It's totally free of charge, and also join the channel memberships if you would like to see behind the scenes or exclusive unboxings for members only. And we've also got a new tier at members only live streams. So thank you for watching, take care, and get shopping with the range today. Bye bye.